Want to change your name servers in Hostinger? In this guide, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide with others. So first, open your browser and visit hostinger.com. Once there, click on Domains and select Domain Portfolio from the menu. Next, choose any domain from the list and click the Manage button next to it. This will take you to the Domain Overview page. From there, click on the DNS tab, then select Nameservers from the menu. You'll now see the Change Nameservers button. Click on it, and you'll be asked to enter new nameservers. The first two nameserver fields will already be filled, but you can add new nameservers in the empty fields for nameservers 3 and 4. Once you enter the new nameservers, the Save button will become active. Then, click on Save, and you're all set. Besides, if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, you can use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. See you in the next guide.